Here's a convenient way to cook stir-fry vegetables and fresh egg noodles using a Gaggenau in-counter steamer and an induction burner. Begin by filling a clean steamer with 4 quarts of cold water, then turn the temperature knob to the highest setting. Turn on your ventilation and set your induction burner on a high heat setting. With the wok ring and pan. When the pan gets hot, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and approximately 4 cups of fresh cut vegetables. Stir fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Then use the basket insert and add the noodles to the hot water in the steamer, cooking for approximately 3 minutes. Combine the cooked noodles with the vegetables in the wok. Season with stir-fry sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Enjoy.